Hey, today we're going to load up some cherry pellets in this Pit Boss tailgater, and we're going to smoke up some New York strip steaks. Now, the pellet grill is a perfect choice if you want to smoke a steak and then finish it off over high heat, or what a lot of people refer to as reverse sear. You can set this temp down low, like 180, 190 degrees, get a good smoke flavor on it. Then you can pull that steak off, crank it up, and sear it. So that's what we're going to do today, but we're going to do something a little special with this steak. We're going to make a bacon and onion compound butter to go with it. I hope you stay with me. To make this bacon onion butter, you're going to need a Vidalia onion, at least that's the kind I like. I got some half a teaspoon of minced garlic. I got about a tablespoon of chopped parsley. I got 2 slices of bacon that I fried up and chopped up finely, 1 stick of butter, and I got about a tablespoon of this minced Vidalia onion. I don't know if you got one of these or not, like this little mincer, right? I just cut off a piece, and then you can, go up and down, and it minces it up real nice, okay? So what we're going to do is put our onion in here, all right? And let's get this garlic in here. Parsley, and then bacon. And now you just want to mix this up. Now this butter has been sitting out for about 20 minutes, half hour. It's like 94 degrees here today, so it depends on if it's inside in your house where it's air conditioned. If you're going to let it sit out, it'll take a little bit longer than this. I've also, when I'm in a hurry, I've also taken the butter and put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. All you want to do is just get it all blended in nicely, okay? Then as soon as it's all mixed in well, you just get yourself some cling wrap, saran wrap. I've even used parchment paper, that'll work also, okay? Get you a piece here out and lay it out here, like so. You can see I'm not a saran wrap expert. Okay, then we're just going to put our butter on there. I tell you that if there is one thing you can do to kick up your steaks and some of your other meals, it's a compound butter, and you can see just how quick that went together and how easy it is to make. Okay, and now we just want to kind of squish it out about the size of a stick of butter, right? Like so. I would have had an easier time if I would have made a bigger piece of saran wrap. Anyway, we can make this work. Okay, just going to wrap that bad boy up like so. Fold the ends over. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the fridge while we smoke this steak, and it'll be perfect when the steak is ready. I've got 2 New York strips. They were on sale, I think it was $7 a pound. You can see they're about an inch thick. There came 2 in a package. A combined weight was 1.8 pounds, so that's about 0.9 pounds each. Just for a binder, just going to use a little olive oil. I mean, not even a half a teaspoon, probably total. You don't need a lot. Okay. In fact, that's going to be enough for both sides, I think. All right. Now let me get a paper towel and get this oil off my hands. Okay. Now, you can just season them, kosher salt and pepper if that's what you want. I'm going to use this 4 Rivers coffee rub. It's got, I think it's got brown sugar, salt, coffee, and you can see it's got a real big grain to it. I've used this quite a few times. We love it. And I know some people are saying, ooh, coffee. It's a very faint coffee flavor, and it's not like drinking a cup of coffee. Really adds a nice, unique flavor to a steak. Okay. So, but again, you don't have to have this. You can have salt and pepper. If you want to know more about this rub, I'll put a link, I think it's up here in the iCard, so you can check it out. Okay. We got them all seasoned up. Now, let's get these guys over to this Pit Boss Pellet Grill. I got this Pit Boss on the lowest setting it can go on the smoke setting, and it's on the P4. That makes it run, at least it makes mine run, about 180 degrees. And you can see I'm putting these steaks away from where the the pellets come in down on this end. It's always hotter on my unit down here. Now I am going to get a temp probe into each one of these guys. I want to cook them up to about 105, somewhere in that range. Okay, get that in, get the lid closed. We'll check on them 25 minutes or so. Like I say, what I'm really focused on is not so much the time, but that temperature of about 105. All right, I checked them in 20 minutes. They were a little under 100. I put another 20 on now. They're up to, one of them is 118, a little higher than I wanted, and one's 124, okay? So these may end up closer to medium. We'll just have to wait and see. So just want to get these, let me put this down. I want to get these temp probes out, okay? Get these guys off of here. All right. We're going to let them rest while I'm turning the temp up on this Pit Boss. And like I said before, we had it on the smoke setting. Now I'm going to turn it all the way up to high. We're going to sear these bad boys. We're going to use the searing function on this guy. So I'm going to pull this out of the way for a second. Okay. We want to move this plate over. But there we go. Okay, that'll be good. You can see the fire coming up out of that bad boy. I'm just going to shut the lid until it comes up to temp. You can see we got the Pit Boss up to 500 degrees. We're going to put it over this searing side. Maybe let it go 1 minute each side, flip it over. It's been approximately 1 minute. Okay. Get these guys flipped over. Let that fire burn down just a little. I should have had a spray bottle, but I don't. Okay. Just 1 more minute, maybe 45 seconds. And we're going to get these bad boys off of here. It's been about another 50 seconds. Okay, let's have a look. I think what we'll do is turn them half turn and let them go here another 20 seconds and then get them off. All right, let's get these bad boys off of here. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, it's just got our steaks off. We got that butter, look. It's been in that fridge about 40 minutes roughly. Okay, you can hear it's nice and solid for us. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is cut off a couple pieces, put it on these New York strips. You can see that bacon in there. Okay, let me get it on here. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good? Now we're just going to let them rest for about 10 minutes and then we'll cut into one of them. You can see our instant read's reading 136, so you know that's what I get for not paying attention. These are going to be closer to medium. So let's get this temp probe out. We're still going to give it a taste, medium or not. Steak's been resting here about 10 minutes. Like I say, they're going to be closer to medium. Okay, we'll just cut this bad boy right down the middle, nice and tender. Okay. Let's cut off a couple pieces and then you can have a look. Yeah, really juicy, but they are definitely medium, not medium rare. Okay. It's a bazillion degrees here in Florida today. Like I say, I let it go just a little too long, but look, it's plenty full of juice, okay? We're going to get some of that bacon, onion butter on there. Really tender. Okay, so the Pit Boss did an awesome job cooking at that 180. It's definitely got a smoky flavor to it. Juicy. You get the onion and the onion butter. You got a little bite of bacon there. I got to tell you, we missed the medium rare mark, but absolutely delicious. If you want it medium rare, pull it off when it's 105 to 19, the 105 to 19 Fahrenheit, and then do your sear, and it'll work out just perfectly. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll be notified of all of our new videos.